Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete your Google Chrome Incognito history on your Android phone. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome. Right now it's in normal mode, but when you use Incognito mode, Chrome clearly mentions that your browsing history, cookies, site data, and form information are not saved. However, keep in mind that your activity may still be visible to the websites you visit, your school, employer, or your internet service provider. Now, let's talk about how to delete Incognito history. By default, when you close all Incognito tabs, your browsing activity is automatically removed. You simply need to tap on the tab icon, close all Incognito tabs, and switch back to the regular browsing mode. That's it. Your Incognito history is cleared. But if you want to take an extra step for better privacy, here's what you can do. Go to your phone settings, then go to Apps. Tap on it. After that, tap App Management. And you can find Chrome. Tap on that, then go to Storage Usage and select Clear Cache. This helps remove any temporary data and ensures your Chrome Incognito data is fully cleared. So yeah, that's how you can delete Incognito history on Chrome Android. If this helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.